What's up? It's your brother Knologist. We're back doing another episode of Code Study Sesh and AFK OSRS training. So I'm training woodcutting the 62 right now. And while I do that, we're going to go into this. I'm in a place where there's a lot of maple trees. I'm in Miscellanea right now, so I'm just going to keep cutting trees while I'm here. And it's 100 EXP per tree, so it's going to be, I think, a little bit faster than fishing. Fishing does take a lot of time, but this is more AFK-able, you know? The mutex review. Principal form mutexes help us avoid concurrent read-write problem. So basically, mutexes protect shared resources. From race conditions. I mean, Leif's gonna take a bunch of my logs, so I don't actually have to give him anything. I don't have to do anything. I just keep cutting them. He takes them from my inventory for me, which is the nice thing. I don't have to drop for a while. I just have to keep going until the tree is finished. Why would you use mutex? To stop other packages from using my code. Safely access shared resources concurrently. Protect, encapsulate. So safely access shared resources. RW mutex, okay. What's an RW mutex? Okay, standard library sync RW mutex. In addition to these methods, also has rlock and runlock. Okay. Let me make a section for this on my notes. Shared resources. So there's some additional features to this. So that kind of fixes things on that end. Improves performance in the read-intensive processes. Multiple Go routines could safely read for the map simultaneously. As many R lock calls can occur at the same time. However, only one Go routine can hold a lock. And during this time, all R lock operations are blocked. Okay. How would we use that though? Improves read intensive. I mean, I'm trying to understand why I would want to do this. Multiple Go routines could safely read from a map simultaneously. Only one Go routine can hold a lock. I don't get this part. I'm gonna have to get Boots to explain this. Reading versus writing locks. So let's look into the RLock feature. RLock. Multiple readers allowed. Multiple readers allowed can sit in the same room. Because multiple readers don't affect the data. Multiple readers don't affect the data, which is why we do this. So you can have as many as you want simultaneously. And let's look at the lock. When someone needs to read or write or modify, they need the entire room to themselves. Okay, so only one at a time. Oh, it's probably called RW mutex for read write mutex. Only one lock can be held at a time. Oh, I see what it means now. So if you have a lock, a regular lock, therefore no one else can use it. I'm gonna give you guys a drawing of it soon, one sec. So I'm going to show you guys the actual difference between a lock and an R lock. So here, this is an R lock. So multiple R locks can enter and read this data at the same time. And if we just write data in here, this should illustrate clearly what this means. So if we look at this, multiple instances can access this data because it's only reading data. But if you have a regular lock, only one instance, which is the lock component here, only this can access the data. So the rest of these guys get locked out. Those guys get locked out. So when you have a lock, only one reader at a time. When you have multiple, then you can do, if you have R lock, then you can get multiple R locks at a time, accessing the read data. That's basically what it means. So that's pretty much what you're trying to do when you are in this scenario. In your code context, I don't want to spoil it for myself. I just want to see what I'm trying to do first. R lock, lock. That's basically the concept of this. One go routine can hold a lock. And during this time, all R locks. So when you have a go routine with a lock on it, nothing else can touch it. Only the one instance can read. When you have an R lock on it, multiple R locks can access it, and multiple go routines can call it. So let's update the code. We want to speed it up by allowing readers to read from the map concurrently. Run this new test suite. You'll notice that it hangs forever. And you'll need to cancel it. Update the val method to only lock the mutex for reading. So we're using R lock. There's probably a W lock. Right now we're just looking at the reading, it looks like, because it says RW mutex, right? So there's probably something for writes as well. So let's look at this. Let's go to the val function. Don't touch below this line. Okay, cool. Safe counter, val, increment, and safe counter mutex. This is an RW mutex. And then you want to defer mu unlock, return, sc, mu unlock, mu lock. So you want to change this to an RW lock. That should fix it. RW lock, RW unlock. Oh, R lock, my bad. It's R lock, not RW lock. There we go. So once you understand the concept of what's happening, then you should be in good shape to understand what's going on. So like right now I want multiple readers to access the data, right? So I'm trying to get an R lock, not a lock. A lock will only limit it to one, right? And then this allows multiple readers to concurrently access this data and then use it. So yeah, let's look into this quiz. Okay, maps are concurrent, safe for concurrent read access, just not concurrent for read-write or write-write access. Okay. A read-write mutex allows all users to access the map at the same time, but a writer will still lock out all the other readers. Okay, so it's basically writer locks and then readers unlock, I guess. How many writers can access an RW mutex? 1. How many readers? Infinite. How many readers and writers can readers and writers lock a RW mutex at the same time? No. Because if you have one writer, the rest of them can't read, so generics and go. Okay, so we're done with RW mutexes. So I guess you'd use that RW mutex. You just use a generic lock if you want to use a write lock. So yeah, now we're at generics, and then there's enums, and then the quiz. So generics, what do we got here? Generics. I think we'll continue generics in another episode. Just to keep things separate, you know. I don't want to mix topics like this. But yeah, if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment below. Knologist out. See you in the next episode. Gonna go to the gym.